everyone! We're going to try a game called Soccer Bowling. So here's how we play. We're going to need a ball. This is a hoodie ball. You could use a sock ball. And we're going to need something to knock down. So I'm using a water bottle. If you're using a sock ball, I might recommend a toilet paper tube, something that's really light and easy to knock over since these are pretty small. You could also grab some cups, and even if you want, you could stack them up kind of like this to be your bowling pin. So I'm going to use the water bottle, and here's how we're going to play. I'm going to put the water bottle down and then take a couple steps back, and I'm going to try kicking my ball to knock down my water bottle. Now, this is important. Your ball needs to stay on the ground and in control because we're inside. We got to be safe. So that's a big rule, is to keep it on the ground. We're not doing any big kicks to knock down our bowling pin. So I'm going to give it a try, and I'm going to give a kick, see if I can knock it down. And I did! So now I'm going to try to take one more step backwards from my bowling pin and see if I can do it from a little further away. And I got it! So I'm going to back up and try it again. So try the challenge, see how far back you can go. If it's a nice day, maybe you do it outside, and then you can try even some bigger kicks. And then take a video and show us you doing your soccer bowling challenge. Have fun, everybody.